Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google Contacts. This is where Drive linked contacts live. Once there, check the left menu for More and Undo changes. You need that history to restore. Make sure sync is active on your device so changes propagate. If you're restoring from a different account, add it now and switch. This step sets the timeline and source. Without correct account and sync, restored contacts won't appear across devices. Once done with setup, click Undo Changes to pick a time frame. Google supports 10 minutes up to 30 days and a custom date within that window. If you need a snapshot before changing anything, export current contacts as CSV or vCard. That safeguards you. For deletions older than 30 days, examine trash, then restore items individually. If restoring from backup, import the CSV or vCard file and make sure to select the correct contacts group so entries merge correctly. Finish by verifying the restored contacts on both the web interface and your phone. Syncing can lag, so give it a minute. If duplicates show up, run merge and fix to consolidate entries. This prevents sync loops. Make sure contacts appear in the expected labels or groups. If something's missing, check account sync settings, inspect trash for recoverable items, and retry import if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: turn sync off and on, then force a manual app sync to resolve most propagation issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.